guys, it's Krista. So today I'm going to be sharing 7 things you need to be doing right now to get Insta famous. So let's get into it. So the first and number one thing that you need to start doing is to stop making excuses. So many people come to me telling me, Krista, I can't take my own photos. Well, why not? Krista, I don't know how to edit my photos. Well, let's pull up Google and figure out how to do that. There is not a good excuse to why you can't be living the life you want to live and doing the things you want to do. There's so many resources available to you, and you yourself should be your number one resource. There are so many things that you can learn how to do yourself that you can use to make it happen. So the number one thing we need to start doing is stop making excuses. The number 2 thing you need to be doing is to make a plan. So when I go out and I shoot photos, I know what I'm gonna wear, I know where I'm gonna be heading, and I know the type of photos that I want to get. I actually have a list planned out of every single photo, outfit, location that I want to shoot and that I want to be. This helps me keep everything organized, and it also helps me plan out my feed and plan out things I want to do. It's really hard to get started on anything or to continue doing something when you don't have a plan or you don't have an idea about what you want to do. When you just go out there and just try to do something, usually it becomes overwhelming. You're not sure what to do, you're not sure what you want. So making a plan is really going to help you get on your grind. So the third thing you need to do is to enlist the help of other influencers. If there's somebody in your city, in your town that you look up to, or if you guys have the same number, of followers, reach out to them. See if they want to, meet up with you on a regular basis. You guys can take photos of each other. You guys can sort of build yourselves together. This really helps because you have somebody who is also passionate about the same things you're passionate about, so you can really help each other and you can grow together. I work with local photographers, local influencers, so it's really nice to find somebody that is local that you can meet up with because they're going to help you grow and you can also help them grow at the same time. I don't have a number 4. Okay, well, number 5 is to learn how to edit your photos. You should not be taking a photo that you post and posting it like directly unedited up into the interwebs, because it's not kosher. You need to learn how to edit your photos. There's so many resources, so many YouTube videos. I will link any YouTube videos I have down below about how I edit my own photos. But depending on what style you like, you can Google how to edit like XYZ and a video will probably pop up. So learn how to edit your photos, learn how to edit them well. Editing does take time to learn, but if you invest into learning, into learning the skills that you need to know in order to succeed on Instagram, it's going to make it a lot easier, and you also won't have to hire somebody else to edit your photos because you don't know how. You can use your own resources and your own knowledge to do that yourself. Number 6 is to figure out the best time to post for your audience. Now, every person is going to be different and when their audience is going to be the most engaged, but usually breakfast, lunch, and dinner time are great times to post depending on where your largest audience is. So most of my audience is in California, so I do breakfast, lunch, or dinner depending on California time versus my own local time. So figure out where your audience is located and figure out the best times to post related to your biggest portion of your audience. And the last thing you need to start doing is to dedicate time every single day to this, to whatever it is you want to do, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube, whether it's blogging. You need to dedicate time every single day to either taking photos, learning how to edit your photos, researching Instagram hashtags, whatever it is. You need to dedicate time every single day to doing this, because you will not see progress if you're just like, oh, like I do it like every week or like once every 3 weeks and I don't understand why I'm not growing. And it's like, you need to dedicate time every single day to posting, to learning about what you need to be doing, to watching videos like this, to watching other people's videos, and really perfect your craft and learn what you need to be doing, and then do it every single day. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you guys like this type of videos, because these are the type of videos that I want to make, where I'm just sharing the knowledge that I have learned from my many years on and off the internet, and the many trials that I have had being somebody who has put themselves out on the internet. So if you enjoy these, please give them a thumbs up. It really helps. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Kristen Knight, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!